strong and find your way. Learning letters A, B, C, so much fun for you and me. When the happy school day ends, say goodbye to your new friends. Mom is waiting with a smile. You can talk with her a while. All about your fun school day, all the games you got to play. School is great, a happy treat, filled with moments oh so sweet. You're brave, you're bright, a shining light. You made the school day feel just right. Hooray for school, hip, hip, hooray. You'll be back another day. Teacher greets you